Hi, and welcome back. I'm Trey Norcross with Volvo Cars Memphis, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your hands-free, power-operated liftgate. Before we get started, there's a few things that you want to make sure you know. First of which is feature availability. A lot of these cars did not have this feature availability because of parts constraints and inventory shortages. So check with your salesperson or your dealership to make sure that your specific car has this feature available. The second thing is this is a requirement to have your key either in your pocket or in a purse or in your backpack, but just make sure you have it close by, or else you'll be kicking underneath your car and all you're going to hear is beeps. The third thing is sensor placement. If you take a look on the back of your bumper, you're going to see some round sensors. If you draw an imaginary line underneath your bumper, you have identical sensors underneath there where you're going to need to kick. So what you're going to do is you have a left side and a right side. All you got to do is have your key in your hand and come up underneath, make sure you kick. It's going to come up automatically and you can put in or get out anything you need. When you're ready to close it, you can come over to the same side, left or right, do another kick, and it'll come straight down. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, go ahead and give it a like and don't forget to subscribe because we're going to bring you more videos just like this. If there's something specific you want to see, leave it in the comments below. We'd be glad to take a look and make our next video about it. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget, drive safe, drive Volvo.